Hello and welcome, champion. I'm excited to have you on another video with me. My name is 𝗙𝗶𝗱𝗂𝘀. I'm a home business expert. I help people to establish businesses they can run from the comfort of their homes using the power of the internet. And today I am going to be talking about Forex trading. I'm going to be talking about Forex trading in relation to the Validus opportunity. Now, for those of you who have had experience in Forex before, whether positive or negative, I know most people have had negative experiences with Forex. I have. The information I'm going to share with you today is something that is really going to help you to clarify what the Forex market is, and also to give you hope for those who have lost money, to give you a system that can guide you from elementary all the way to advanced, how to become very proficient in Forex trading. People are making a whole lot of money from Forex trading, but statistics show that only 5% out of 100 people that actually go into Forex make good money. The remaining 95% are just struggling or losing money. Now, we're going to help you through the Forex Academy organized by Validus to move from the losers to the gaining side of Forex. And trust me, the information I'm going to share with you in this short video is going to be loaded. I'm not going to be teaching you Forex in this video. I'm going to be introducing you to the Validus Forex Academy that is going to change your life, give you the proper orientation and proper training that you lacked when you went into Forex and lost money in the first place. Now, I want to talk about who this information is for. Who is this video I'm doing designed for? First of all, it's designed for the newbies who just want to learn how to trade Forex from the scratch. Maybe you have been hearing about Forex trading for some time, but you don't really know what it's about, or you saw an advert on Facebook, someone talking about making money from Forex, and you're like, what is this Forex thing about? You've just been hearing about it, but you don't really know exactly the information and how to get the information. I'm going to tell you today, this video is for you. Also, this video is also for the person who has lost money in Forex before and wants to recover and to excel in Forex trading. I think I fall into that category. I fell into that category some time ago. I lost a lot of money in Forex trading. I'm still going to tell you my story later on after this slide. So if you have lost money in Forex before, this video is for you. And for those who already know how to trade Forex, I say how in quote, because if you know how, you would have already been making money by now. Or maybe you know the basics, you know all the terminology, candlesticks, head and shoulders pattern, buy, sell, all those things. You know information about it, but you don't really know how to trade and make money consistently. This video is for you. We're going to give you the right strategies and emotional discipline you need to get ahead in the Forex market. Now, I want to share some history with you because it's good to know who is talking. I came across Forex around 2006. A friend of mine, Coyote, he gave me a DVD and I took the DVD home. I watched information about Forex. A lot of the information was incoherent. It was just snippets about a trading that someone did. And I fell in love with Forex. I was like, wow, this is something I can make money right from the comfort of my home. And I went into Forex head on. I mean, I first started with a demo, put real money, and boom, I lost all my money. I lost my money. I lost other people's money. It was so bad that the people that lost their money, they were threatening me, give us back our money. But the money is not with me. It has gone, into the Forex market. So this is a video I did back then when I was training people how to trade Forex. I called myself the Forex coach. Now I call myself Forex cockroach because I didn't really have the information. Even me, myself, I wasn't making money. But I had the information. I knew how to click buy, how to sell. I knew the meaning of spread, peep, all those things. I knew about Forex, but I wasn't making money trading Forex. And I'm telling you that most of the people online that are trying to sell you one Forex system are actually in that category. They are training you how to trade Forex, but they themselves are not trading Forex or making money in Forex. You can see this DVD. This DVD was made in 2008. You can see the copyright date. I actually wanted to design this, create the CD and start selling it. The copyright date was 2009. I was really serious about it. I was going all out to train people on Forex. I organized one-day seminar, collected 30,000 way back in 2008. You can imagine how much it was then. But the problem I had then was I was training people, but I myself was losing money. So why am I telling you this? It's possible you know about Forex. It's possible you know all the terminologies and all those grammar behind it. When you see a chart, you know, oh, this is a trend line, this is this, but you are not making money. And a lot of people are like that. I remember this thing and I laugh at myself right now. I laugh at myself the way I used to be back then, because I was actually training people to make money instead of trading. Most of the adverts you see online, this is what they are doing. They are not actually trading themselves, or they are trading, but they are not really making money. But they have packaged information and they are selling you the information. Their money is from the information they are selling you. You go for a seminar, you pay 50,000 naira. Imagine collecting 50,000 naira from like 100 people that attend the seminar. The guy has made money. I was doing it. I know all the tricks, but I wasn't making money. So in this video, I want to introduce you to something that can actually help you make money consistently in the Forex market. No stories, no strings attached. Get all the information at once. So stick with me as I go on to show you exactly how the Validus Academy works. I'm going to take you through the academy, show you what you're going to learn, show you the trading area, the back end, and the goodies that the company has prepared for you, and how you can actually become a member of that academy and start trading Forex, learning how to trade and trading Forex yourself. Okay, so right now I'm going to introduce you to the back end of the Validus Academy. Before you become a member of Validus, you have to pay a certain amount. I'll talk about the fees later on, but let me show you the value you're going to get first. So whenever you sign up with Validus, you're going to get a back end that looks something like this. And right now I'm going to focus straight on the academy. Under your menu, you see the second to the last option. It says Trading Academy. Once you click Trading Academy, it brings you to the Trading Academy page. Then you click on this button again. The moment you click on this button, it loads the academy for you. All right, you can see this is the Validus Trading Academy back end. Now I'm going to introduce you to the different tabs we have here and what it's about. I'm going to try my best to show you the value you have in this place. A lot of the things, even I myself have not finished exploring this back end. It's so robust, it's so rich, but it's where you're going to get the education that can make you take you from elementary to an advanced level of Forex trading. So this is the home. Under the home, you have an introduction and you have different members online. Once you sign up, they put you on a group. The app is called Discord. On that app, you get special notifications from the directors of education, teaching you what meetings are coming up, how they are taking the trades. Most of this stuff is even on my phone. I have the app on my phone. So whenever they send out a notification, you get it on your phone. And it's not WhatsApp, it's another app that is accommodates more features than that. So this is the home. You can see the different markets, the Euro, USD, the Japanese yen, the different prices, and you can see market data here. You can see economic calendar, what news is coming up when. So you can come here, scroll down, get all the information you need from the Validus Academy. So this is just the beginning. You can watch Bloomberg TV live right here from the back end. Forex trading is all about knowing where prices are going all over the world. And then we have the live. Under the live, we have different calls, webinars, online meetings you can join with professional traders that can teach you how to trade, that can hold you by the hand, show you their secrets. We have the Smart Money Concept call on Monday, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. UK time. For those of you that are around West Africa, that's Nigeria, this is about 6 to 7 p.m. There's a 1 hour difference in time now because of daylight savings. And then we have the London Open call. The London Open is the biggest session in the whole of Forex trading. So we have a special call, a London Open call on Thursday, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. UK time, just before the market, as the market is opening. Then we have the trade recap on Saturday. Okay, I'm recording this video right now. This is actually on Saturday. I got the message this morning. I could show you on my phone, reminding us about the meeting. And the meeting is for Saturday. It's a special call telling us, when you say recap, we look at the previous week. I traded last week and I saw all the movements that happened. There was major news last week. Non-farm payroll news was last week. So we look at what happened last week and anticipate how we're going to trade in the future, how we're going to trade in the following week. So it's like a Forex family where we have meetings that teach each other how to trade. And then we have the Zoom call that starts in the next 2 days. You can see all the information here. We even have calls for, it's not so in-depth. The special one that is for everybody. That one, even if you're not a member of Validus, you can still join that one. So it's more of a general call. It's not as in-depth as the one we have for members that have paid to join the academy. So you can see information about the different calls we have here, not to mention the different notifications you will get on the app. The Discord app is an app we use that gives us information about our coming meetings. And then under the trading tab over here, we have trading. And under this tab, we have some different videos that can teach you how to do basic things in the back office.
Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to
let me just pause the video so you can watch different videos here. And then screen FX Forex screener. Under the Forex screener, we have the different currency pairs and the prices, the ask price, the bid price. Now, if you are new to Forex, all these things are looking like, usually when people see the Forex chart, they don't know about the Forex for the first time, they feel intimidated. What's all these things going on? Relax. But if you're a professional in Forex, if you have done Forex before, it doesn't intimidate you anymore. So we're going to take you from the level of being intimidated to the level of being comfortable with different charts, okay? So all these things may not make sense to you now if you're a newbie, but trust me, this is where the money is at, all these different currency pairs. Personally, I'm currently on a trade on GBP-CHF. Here it is right here. The trade has done very well, and I'm still on the trade, making money for me. And then we have the crypto screener. Just like we have Forex pairs, we also have crypto pairs, Ethereum, USDT, different coins traded side by side. So this is not where the trading is. This is just information, data. And then we have the charts. You can come here and get different charts. And the charts are very flexible. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. You can get all these tools, just like on TradingView, if you know TradingView. And I think these charts are even being fed in through TradingView. So the charts are very flexible, far more flexible than what you have on MetaTrader. Okay, MetaTrader is the most popular in the world, very good. I use MetaTrader also. But what we have on TradingView gives us more features and flexibility than MetaTrader. You get it here in the Validus backend. And then we have community. If you are in any form of education, you will agree with me that it's not just important to be on your own and learning something. It's good to have a community of people, a community of traders, like-minded people that are trading along with you, and you are sharing ideas. On this community tab, I really love it. One of the first things that I love about this is, look at here, you can come here, just like on Facebook. Facebook will say what's on your mind, and then people type all those questions and funny things and videos and all. Just like that, you can come here, you can see what's on your mind. You can come here and ask a question. How do I do something? Once you ask your question, you put a title there and you share the question, you will have people from all over the world come in and ask you questions. And for those of you who speak different languages from English, trust me, this is one of the most language diverse platforms I know in all of online business. Validus has resources for different languages, and I'll show you more about that later. So this, under the community, you can come here, you can ask questions, you can come and see market outlook. For instance, look at this market outlook as of yesterday. Let me zoom in and see. So you can see the market outlook for yesterday, economic calendar, the news that happened. You have everything here, and then you can come here and you can see market trade ideas from professional traders. For instance, if you trade gold, this is a gold chart. You can see the 4-hour gold chart right here. Over here, you can see the market has been analyzed for you, points of support, points of resistance, where you can enter a trade. You can see this trend line. If you're looking at the gold chart right now, this is a recent chart. I'm recording this video actually on March 11. So of course, if you're watching it after March 11, you know the gold chart has moved. But as at this time, this was the analysis that was done. You see this trend line. This trend line was broken on gold, and price zoomed up to areas. Now, even if you are not very good at reading charts, you can come to the community. You can see different analysis that people have made on the market and how you can have trade ideas. This is the Bitcoin chart for 1 hour. So whether you're Forex or crypto, it doesn't matter. And if you come here, you zoom, you zoom down, or you scroll down, you can see, look at this chart for instance. This one was done on February 27. The Euro GBP pair. Look at this trade. Fantastic trade. This red means this red line is where you would have entered the trade. Let me use my pointer. I'm using my fingers because I'm using a touch screen. This pointer here, this line is where you would have entered the trade. You would have put your stop loss up here, and you would have taken the trade down there. Okay, so this has been analyzed. You can see price went into a channel, a rising channel. And if you know anything about Forex, when a channel is rising, the next thing is for it to break down, most cases. So I'm not here to teach you how to trade. I'm going to leave that to the professional traders that have been trading for decades in the Validus Academy. Now, this is silver market outlook as this was February 24. This is no longer reset, but of course, you get the picture. You can see that if you come here and click on all these trade ideas, you see other trade ideas that will open up for you. So even if you have you are trading the Forex and you don't your mind is blocked, like you don't know which trade to take, you can come here, look at the different analysis done by professional traders and say, this is a fine trade setup, let me buy with this trade. And you have a community where you can come and ask questions. You understand? So for me, like I said previously, I started Forex around 2006, 2007, and I lost so much money. I lost my own money. I lost other people's money. I would lose money, come back, take a break, come back, lose money again. I was frustrated by Forex. I mean, it was like, and I love Forex so much. It was almost becoming an addiction. Even when I lose money, I look for money again. I go back to Forex. I kept losing money. But now I can see the story has changed. I'm telling you the truth. So if you have lost money in Forex and you have closed your mind to Forex, stop that. Don't close your mind. It's because you didn't have good education. I didn't have good education, but with Validus Academy, we have all the education we need. All the education we need to be able to make consistent profit in the Forex market. Now, I want to show you something. Look at this. Look at this now. This was done on the 7th of March. Let me check the date right now. The date right now, okay, that was on Tuesday. That was done on Tuesday. Look at the week ahead. That was done on Monday. You can come here and look at the week ahead, read about information. You can also read more. It's not showing everything on the screen. You can come here and read about what the market is going to look like in the week we just entered. So by Monday now, I'm sure this will change this week ahead will change to the next week. So for me, this academy, this community in the academy is very, very valuable, and it's something I wish I had when I started out in Forex, but I didn't. So I lost money, but now by God's grace, I am not losing money in Forex anymore because I have an academy to guide me on how to really make money. Now let's go to the last tab over here, which is education. Now, you can see here, you can come here and learn how to trade from the very first video, which is introduction to Forex. I mean, what better way to start than introducing you to Forex? So depending on your package, the higher package you have, the more education you're exposed to. So if you're a novice in Forex, you don't even know how they got the name Forex, you can come here and watch these videos. Take it easy with yourself. Don't rush yourself because your package lasts for 14 months, about 60 weeks. So you can take your time and learn how to trade the market comfortably without any rush, without any pressure. All right. So, and you can see the videos are here in English language and in French language. All right. I hear that the video have also been done in Spanish language, but I'm not sure about that yet. I'm not sure if that has been uploaded, but I hear that Spanish language is also available for our videos now. So you can come and listen in French or listen in English. Oh yeah, it's here already. Espanol. Look at it right there. But I don't know if the videos are loaded yet. So English and French are loaded. Oh, Espanol is there. Look at Spanish videos here. So you can come and whatever language you speak, and hopefully there will be more languages coming in very soon. So you can come here and just click on the video and watch the video over. Let me click one for instance. You can come here, click this video, and watch the training on the video. Click on the market. Like this one now is talking about manipulation.
Hello everybody, it's Nicholas here. Today we're going to have a look at market.
Let me read how there are some big institutions behind the Forex market that are they say they are manipulating the market. But how do you make money even with all that? We're going to guide you through all the pitfalls of Forex trading. These are people that have been trading for a long time, professionals that have made big impacts in trading, and they have trained other people also. For instance, someone like our friend, who is the CEO and the chief educator here at Validus, who has over 30 years of experience, who has traded for MIG Bank of Switzerland, different big organizations that these people have traded for. You tap into their experience, you tap into their wisdom, and they teach you the systems and strategies that you can learn how to trade. So this is just one of the videos
that you need to watch a couple of times
you can,
to understand.
Take your time. Watch the video, watch it over and over again. You've paid for it. This is what you pay for. So there's no rush. It's not like a video you can watch only once. You can watch the video over and over again, and it trains you on how to trade the market. For me, this is the, let me minimize this now, and so that me and Nicholas are not talking at the same time.
This is the candle that tricks people, everybody. This is the candle.
So let me close that so I can talk. So depending on your package, the higher the package, the more education you get. But the fact is, you are getting education that can take you from a nobody in Forex to a very successful Forex trader. So I just decided to breeze through the academy. So you can come here, watch the videos. You can come here, join our meetings. You know, there are meetings we have that are only for selected kind of members that have a certain level of package, and you can learn how to trade. Our entry level is, let me talk about the entry level after this session. I'll talk about how to get started with Validus the moment I finish this video. So take your time, and before I even end this section, let me show you what each level entails and how much it is to buy into each level. Okay, so let me go to that right now. All right, so here we are, where I'm going to show you how much it costs to join the Validus Academy and what you get at each level. So this is a picture showing you the general overview of the V Mastery or Validus Mastery Academy, as we call it. It says here the V Mastery courses and programs are broken down into 8 distinct levels, each providing unparalleled value to the end user. This tiered structure ensures that progression is seamless and complex concepts and ideas are broken down into practical bit-sized chunks. Okay, that simply means that we have arranged this education in such a way that you don't get intimidated if you are a new person and get confused. The result is a tailor-made approach that fits your learning needs and ensures a sustainable, nurturing environment that encourages continuous growth and development. So the purpose is to develop you, to grow you from a beginner, someone who doesn't even know how to pronounce Forex, or some people will say they want to trade Forest, you know, someone that is that novice, all the way to someone that can confidently sit behind his laptop or his mobile phone and take trades and make thousands of dollars for himself or herself. So the first level, as we can see here, is $50. So that's the first level of entry that you can enter into Validus. You can go ahead and start with the $50 package, although that will just give you some basics about Forex. You can see what you get on this package: Forex introduction, candlesticks, and trends. Now, if you go to the next level, you pay the $100, you now get the basics plus what you see here: Forex trading platform, brokers, indicators, trend lines, support and resistance. You learn about all those things. And then the third level is $250, where you have the core concepts of Forex, like volumes, trading sessions, Fibonacci, multi-time frame, how to trade different time frames, how to analyze those time frames and take trades, market structure, which is very important in Forex trading. And then the level 4 is $500, where you have institutional introduction. All right, you have topics like liquidity, manipulation, imbalances, and then you move to the next level, the $1,000 level, which is the advanced. You can see the first three, 50 to 250 is introduction, then 500, 1,000, and 3,000 is advanced. You're now at an advanced level of Forex. You can see it on your screen. I don't have to read everything out. You have institutional methods of trading here. You can read this for yourself and see what you are going to get on each package. And then the $3,000 level is level 6. So you have strategies, different strategies. They will guide you through it, how to trade the Asia breakout. Asian market is another market, and some breakouts happen that you can use and grab a lot of money. So from that breakout, so you have access to open calls, and this is the advanced level, and then the expert level. But at the expert level, that's $5,000. That's level 7. You have psychology. Of course, you have all these things plus what you have had before. All right. You have trade management, risk management, power of compounding, trading plans, fundamental analysis, how to use the news that is coming out, what's happening around the world in different places to know where the currency is going and likely to go. And then we have the highest level, level 8, which is $10,000. So like paying that $10,000 at once gives you access to all the previous packages. So I hope you understand. So if you, let's assume you pay the $3,000 now, you have access to level 5, level 4, level 3, level 2, level 1. So paying that at once gives you all that access. So if you pay the 10,000 at once, you have 1 to 8 all at once, at one-time payment, which is what I recommend if you can afford it. But if you can't, just come in progressively at the level you can come in. So level 8 is Forex mastery, all right? You know, trade ideas, online mentorship, funding assistance, and things like that. You know, you get to a level in Validus where you can actually have the phone numbers of those expert traders. You can chat with them, show them charts, and it's like a one-on-one interaction with them. So, I mean, when you have all those resources, you can't but succeed in Forex trading. I mean it. It's just, I wish I had this when I started off trading Forex. I have lost thousands of dollars in Forex until I started getting it right. And I'm so glad with what I'm learning right now in Validus Academy and what I've learned so far. So those are the packages, minimum $50 all the way to $10,000. So it's like going from primary 1 to primary 2 all the way to the university where you have a degree kind of in Forex trading. That's just an example. I'm not saying you get a degree. I'm just trying to say it's just like that progression. So basically that's the courses you get in Validus when you decide to join our Validus Academy. Okay, so to round up, I want to quickly introduce you to something that Validus decided to add to their educational platform. Now, it's called the loyalty program. It's called 𝗩-𝗶𝗱𝗄𝗍 or 𝗩-Rewards. It's a way where the company rewards you for buying into their educational packages. Now, if you decide to buy any of Validus educational packages from $50 all the way to $10,000, anyone, the company has a one-of-a-kind program designed to reward the loyalty of its members. So once you buy any of our packages, you have become a member and we reward you for your loyalty, for saying yes to our training. So each purchase you make qualifies you for up to 3% points in a week. Meaning, for instance, if you buy the $10,000 package, you're going to earn up to 3% in a week. Actually, it's between 2% to 3%. It could be 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.7, or 3% in a week. It's a variant. So buying a $10,000 package, let me use this example to illustrate what I'm talking about. For instance, let's say there's a gentleman called Frank Sanchez who buys a $10,000 package. Your package lasts for 60 weeks, okay? So for 60 weeks, you have access. And for the next 60 weeks, they're going to be giving you between 2% to 3% every single week. So in your first week, you have, let's say, 2.5%. That's $250. And then the rewards continue to grow for you. By the 30th week, you have $10,000, meaning you have doubled your money through the rewards. And then it grows for 60 weeks. And by the end of that 60 weeks, you should have up to $30,000 in your account for purchasing a $10,000 package. It's a way the company uses to reward the loyalty of its members. So apart from you learning how to trade and trading yourself, the money you use to buy the package, the company helps you weekly by rewarding you for buying the package and grows your money for you up to 300% in 60 weeks. 60 weeks is about 14 months. And this is not actually unique to Validus. There are many companies out there that have a reward program. For instance, look at Emirates Airlines, for instance. The first time I flew Emirates in my life was in December of 2018. And recently, I still got an email from them talking about the rewards they have. When you patronize them, they actually give you rewards for patronizing them, which is as good as money. All right. So, and there are many other companies that do the same. American Express does it, Sephora does it, and I'm sure you know many other companies out there that they actually reward you one way or the other for patronizing them. So that's what Validus decided to do. Anytime you buy any of our educational packages from $50 all the way to $10,000, anyone, you get between 2 to 3% of the package you bought, and that grows for you all the way for 60 weeks, and your money can grow up to 300%. So whether you're making money from trading or the rewards are just rewarding you, either way you are getting value from Validus. And for me, that's a very fantastic way of encouraging people to get Forex education. Okay, so to round up, I'd like to encourage you to get started with this project immediately. We have a goal, and the goal is to take this value that the world is lacking to a lot of people in the world. As you may know, people who have lost money in Forex, who hate Forex because of previous losses, or who are looking for a way to make money from home. Me, that I'm talking to you personally, I hardly leave my house, honestly. I am a chronic a chronic introvert. I can sit down at home all day with my smartphone and my laptop and make money. I can trade Forex from anywhere I find myself in the world. So the knowledge of Forex trading can set you free for life. You can decide to move, to relocate to anywhere in the world, and you stay at home and trade your Forex and make your money. And the tax advantages you get, it's crazy. It's amazing the way you get a lot of tax advantages, not paying tax and so many things because you are working from home. So learn how to trade Forex. Teach your children how to trade Forex. Where will you get the education? It is here in Validus. So my name again is 𝗩𝗶𝗱𝗂𝘀𝗃. I am a global expansion leader with Validus, and our goal is to take this opportunity everywhere in the world. So if you are interested in learning how to trade, go ahead and join Validus. Or if you just want to join because of the weekly rewards that I talked about, up to 300% in 14 months, go ahead and join Validus. Or you have people you want to share it with, or you have someone that's lost money in Forex and is looking for a way out, share this video with that person. Let the person know that there is a way you can actually learn to overcome all the failures and the troubles plaguing people when it comes to Forex trading. So please, if you are watching this video on YouTube, please like this video, share a comment below, share the video with people, let people know about this, and please do make sure you get in contact with me. My number is on the screen. You can see my number on the screen. You can get me on WhatsApp or give me a call, but preferably WhatsApp. At least that one is more global, so that we can show you how you can get started with Validus right away. Also on your screen right now is a link you can use to sign up with Validus. The link will also be in the description below. Click that link. It will take you to a registration page. Fill the form. If you're having any challenges, chat me up on WhatsApp with this number and you can get started immediately trading for yourself, learning how to trade, or earning from the weekly rewards, or sharing it with other people, which gives you another set of money that I even talk about in this training. So thank you so much for your time. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and so you can get updates when I release new videos. I'm so grateful, and I thank you for the time you have spent on this video. Bye-bye.
Tell us a bit about yourself and your background.
Yeah, well, personally, I grew up in the UK. I spent my early years of my career in the UK. My career has taken me to many places in the world. I've lived in Ireland, the USA, and Switzerland, where I've lived for the past 10 years with my family. During my leisure time, I like to do a bit of rock and roll, and I sing in a rock and roll band. Professionally, my financial career started in the late 1980s, where I worked for a Japanese securities house as a sales trader. I got my securities exam and I learned at first hand about the volatility of markets, and that's what led me to embark on a career in technical analysis. In the next 10 years or so, I worked for third-party research providers where my role was to give them trading strategies and technical analysis advice. And that's when I started to develop my own algorithms, and I taught myself how to code. And I got headhunted in 2006 for a UK family office whose focus was property, but they wanted to expand out into financial market trading. So in the first 6 months or so, I managed to double the money that they gave me, and that led them to give me more assets under management, and in subsequent years I did quite well with that too. In 2009, I got a call from a Swiss bank who wanted me to be their chief market strategist. So I moved across to Switzerland, was chief market strategist, and I ran my algorithms for the benefit of the bank's clients. I also produced analysis and research with trading recommendations. In July 2012, I left to go solo, independent, and I became a Swiss regulated asset manager. In the first 3 years, I managed to turn an account from 400,000 into 1.8 million. And in the subsequent years, I managed to produce double-digit percentage returns. Over the period, I managed to get my Chartered Market Technician's exam. That was a 3 to 4 year course.
What is the idea behind Validus?
Well, we've got to the stage now where literally anybody can make money in the financial markets because the internet has created a level playing field. So information that was previously just in the domain of the big guys in finance, now anybody can gain access to it, which means that they can succeed in the markets, but with the right training and mentorship. It's a well-known fact that more than 80% of people who trade lose money. But the good news is with the right education, the education that we offer at Validus, we can help people join that top 20%.
What is the Validus vision and mission statement?
Well, it's in the name. At Validus, we aim to validate people's chances of success in the financial markets. Most traders, most successful traders, have to go through a long and painful and costly journey where they make mistakes along the way. Our aim is to shorten that process and to make it as pain-free as possible by giving them access to the right education. At Validus, we have targets. We see amazing growth potential, particularly in the emerging market space. And our aim is to educate the retail trader, give them the right tools so that they can succeed at trading. We know we've got the right blueprint for success, and we want to make our company into a $1 billion company over a period of time. And targets that we have, by 2023, we aim to have 1 million members. And it's a target that we feel is quite doable, and we will be pushing towards that target.
And why have you chosen relationship marketing over more traditional methods?
Again, it's in the name. Validus is the Latin for power, transparency and trust. And we believe that relationship marketing is the best form of marketing because it's built upon trust. And it's all about encouraging people to buy into your idea, and then they can sell it to other people and they can benefit from it. Companies such as Airbnb, Dropbox and Uber became billion-dollar companies because they used the trust mechanism. So they empowered their clients and their networks to spread the word, basically. And that's what we aim to do at Validus. We want people to spread the word, to let people know how good we are at what we do, and that will ensure that we prosper and the clients prosper for the next several years.
Is the company sustainable, and what's its longevity?
That's a very good question. Feed a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for his entire life. At Validus, we strive to create one thing, and that's value. And by creating value and letting the clients know that we're creating value for them, we believe that they will stick with us for many, many years to come.